Hi, today I've heard of new Motorola Moto E6S and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and after that in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. So after that we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and that's 28 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the battery level, health capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.